Usnea is a type of lichen that grows on trees. Though lichens appear to be single plants, they are really a combination of fungus and algae that grow together for their mutual benefit. The plant body of Usnea is used to make medicine. Is Usnea harmful? Usnea is possibly safe when used on the skin, though allergic reactions can occur. Taking Usnea by mouth is possibly unsafe. The sodium usniate, usnic acid, that Usnea contains might cause liver damage. Is Usnea edible? While Usnea is technically edible, it isn't particularly tasty and can cause some stomach upset if it isn't leached properly. Where Usnea really shines is with its amazing medicinal benefits. First and foremost, Usnea is an immune system tonic and has powerful antibiotic and antiviral properties. Does Usnea have side effects? There are no known side effects of Usnea. It is considered safe for use in children. The safety of Usnea during pregnancy and breastfeeding has not been established. Is Usnea good for colds? Usnea has a traditional reputation as an antiseptic and is sometimes used for people with common colds. More. Elderberry has shown antiviral activity and thus may be useful for some people with common colds. What are the benefits of Usnea? The plant body of Usnea is used to make medicine. Usnea is used for weight loss, pain, fever, and wound healing, and to make phlegm easier to cough up. Usnea is also used directly on the skin for sore throat and for athlete's foot.